Why Jay Chou and LangLang's parents want them to learn piano? Jay's mother, Ye Hui-mei, had already noticed Jay's sensitivity to music and sound upon the time he was a toddler. As such, until he got the necessary musical training as early as possible, she studied him out in the group classes and subsequently enrolled him for one-on-one lesson with a piano teacher. His piano teacher described him as a very quiet child who would not speed up to answer but would quietly compose a little song for a girl in the same class whom he liked. Yes, even at that young age. In the interview with the Nicholas, Jay Chou said that his mother used all his savings to buy him a piano when he was a child. He started practicing from the age of 4 and had to practice for at least 2 hours a day. His mother would stand beside him with a cane. Nicholas said that he now regrets every time he heard Jay Chou talk about the piano. His mother encouraged him to learn the piano when he was young, but he refused to. He regretted not listening to his mom. He should have Team Mama that while. Many children only understand when they grow up, but they end up telling their parents, "Why didn't you challenge me a little more when I was younger? Maybe I could have become famous too." Every child is playful, and Jay Chou is certainly no exception. He started to practice piano at 4 and must practice for 2 hours a day. Without the persistence of his mother, Jay Chou would not be the same. What he has achieved now comes from his mother, sternness and persistence to him. The most important point is that it did not cause any psychological shadow to Jay Chou. On the contrary, it made Jay Chou respect and love his mom extremely. He especially wrote a song to his mother, Team Mama the Hua. When Lang Lang was a child, his father gave up everything to accompany him to study abroad in order to train him to become a professional pianist. His mother worked at a home and supported both of them. After some time, his mother was worried that his father was too strict and wanted to visit Lang Lang. However, his father refused and said that Lang Lang may be too relaxed when she comes to visit. Lang Lang once said, "Without my dad, I would definitely not be who am I today." Grafman, the teacher of Lang Lang, has also given affirmation that it is good to have certain pressure and constraint when learning or practicing. However, in many cases, it varies from person to person. Strict education is suitable for Lang Lang because he has talents and likes to play piano. Lang Lang's success is owed to his father's persistence and strength. Jay Chou and Lang Lang, just like most of us, have the advantage of learning piano at a young age. As a kid, parents usually enroll us in the conventional path. We take practical and theory exams years after years just to fulfill the journey but never really feel the passion in playing the song we are learning, nor understand the theory we are constantly told to memorize. To summarize, parents want to offer their children the best and do not want to hurt or push them too hard. But no matter what instruments you are learning or what subject you are studying, one of the biggest elements of success is hard work. No one can achieve success without putting forward lots of efforts. If you'd like to see more content like this, do consider subscribing my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.